Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to go over our review for today before we take our math assessment tomorrow for topic 11. So we did this last topic at the end of the assessment. What students need to do is solve the problems up here and then solve the problems down here, and they're going to look for matching problems. So for example, I'll just do one here for you guys. 4 plus 1 is 5. I would have your kiddo write that there. 2 plus 3 is 5. Come on now. Okay. Since these match, this is where they're going to put the letter G. Okay. So they'll go ahead and solve all of these first, and then they will make sure they're paying attention to the subtraction sign there, and then solve these ones down here, and then match those numbers up to the letters. Okay. So this one over here is going to be B, and this one's going to be an I, because this is a 4 and this is a 4 and this is a 2 and this is a 2, so the I goes there. Okay, so they'll go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So again, this is just some fluency practice, giving them some addition and subtraction review. Okay, for our topic review, the vocabulary in this topic was being able to use words like column, row, ones, and tens place, and then those decade numbers. So number 1 here says to draw a circle around the part of the number in the orange column that is in the ones place. So we want kiddos, again, recognizing that the ones place is the second number here, okay, and a 2-digit number, and when it's a 1-digit number, it's the only number there. So we want them drawing a circle around all of these, and they can do it individually or they can put a big line on it like I'm doing. They'll probably need to go through and do it each one like this. This is how Jacob did it when we did it together. Okay, so we want them recognizing that the 3 is in the ones place, it's the second digit, and it's the same all the way down. Draw a circle around the part of the number in the blue column that is in the tens place. So in this column, we want them recognizing that the tens place is the first digit and it must have 2 digits. So they're going to circle all of these all the way down. Okay, and then we want them recognizing that these change as we move down the 100 chart. So if you want them to say, how many tens in 18? 1 10. How many tens in 28? 2 tens. How many tens in 38? 3 tens. Okay, so that's the important piece of that vocabulary. And then color the decade numbers yellow. So again, they should know that term decade number now, and those are all the numbers that have a 0 in the ones place, so they should color all of these yellow. Okay, so that's the important vocabulary terms that you want them being able to describe to you and show you on those. So here, remember these set A and set B are example problems, and over here are the actual problems. So you can follow the instructions down here, count aloud the numbers in the top row, have them count the numbers in the bottom row, and draw a circle around the number in the top row and the part of the number in the bottom row that sound the same. So they're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, oh, I'm sorry, we're doing the bottom row, 21, 22, 23. So we're going to say, okay, you said 1 and 21. Which parts were the same? Well, we both said 1 in these, so the ones place is the same. Okay, here you said 2 and 22. Which parts are the same? The 2, okay, and you're going to have them do that for the whole row. Here we're counting by tens and ones, so they should go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. They need to circle that answer, 83, and they need to know what that 83 looks like, an 8 and a 3. All right, again, here's another example problem over here to show them what they're doing here. They're going to start on the yellow number. They're going to color in all the numbers and count them out loud until they get to 80, and then they're going to stop there. Okay, and then on number 4, you are going to have students find the missing numbers in the column here. So here, these missing numbers go in this row, 31, 32, 33, 34, and so on. Really make sure that they're checking their order. Remember, when we're doing columns here, they should be checking their order in their rows. So 75, 76, 77, 85, 86, 87, 95, 96, 97. Your kiddos who are a little bit more advanced developmentally will be able to recognize the tens place moving down, 76, 86, 96. Okay, so that's it for math today. We don't have hands-on practice for this unit because it is just a 100 chart. So tomorrow we will be taking the math assessment, and I will have that opened and ready for you guys to go. All right, have a good night.